Today I have a 4XL shirt to embroider on, and it is just a simple regular left chest area embroidery, and the normal size for that is a 3.5 by 3.5 inch square. However, since this is a 4XL shirt, I need to go up in size a little bit on that square. So I have a sheet of paper here that is a 4-inch square, and as you can see, that looks a little better and more in proportion. The only problem is that I have a 4x4 embroidery machine, and even though it is a 4x4 embroidery window, it won't print up to the 4 size. I think the most it can do is like a 3.8. So I am going to go as large as I can with the design so that this looks correct on this shirt. So basically what I've done is I have marked where I would like the embroidery design to go, and that is 8 inches from the top and 4.5 inches from the center of the shirt, and X marks the spot. So that's where we will be doing our embroidery. So what I have done is marked points on this embroidery hoop. This way, when I get ready to put the shirt onto the hoop, it will be aligned correctly because I'm going to line up the center point of this hoop with the center point of the shirt. I'm just going to spray some 505 adhesive down to ensure that my shirt stays down. Okay, the shirt is on here and it's not going anywhere, but I am going to be using some clips later, like some Wonder clips or some clothespins to hold this in place so it doesn't slide into the way when the machine is embroidering out the design. I have some water soluble stabilizer right here that I'm going to put on top just to ensure that the design doesn't sink down into the pile of the fabric. And I'm just going to sit it right on top, and now we're going to go over to the embroidery machine. So this is the size that I decided to go with for the 4XL shirt. To change the size, you just go here and expand, and I think 3.8 is the largest that you can go on this design on a 4x4 embroidery machine. Even though the embroidery hoop is 4x4, it really will only get 3.8, or at least I've never been able to go any larger than that. And to make it smaller, you just hit this right here and it will size it smaller. So for my smaller shirts, like the medium and the large, I will print them in this size here. This is the final result of this project. I think it turned out pretty well to just enlarge the file using the embroidery machine. However, if you were to print your design out and it were to come out distorted, then that would mean that you need to go into the actual embroidery file and make changes to the file so that the stitches come out correctly. If you would be interested in learning how to digitize embroidery files or how to alter existing files, please let me know down in the comments section below, and I will try to put together some sort of course. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.